Very welcome to Water Tank Chat number 2. Today I'm gonna show you how a membrane is built up using a sponge and an ordinary piece of paper shown here. Now the membrane, or how should I say, the filtration part of the membrane, we can represent by this paper, which is very flexible, as you see. But this filtration part of the membrane is very, very thin. And here, when the water with the pollutants or molecules that you want to separate goes through this filtration part of the membrane, it will hold back what you want to remove, of course, and you will get the permeate on the other side, the clean water. Now, representing by the paper, it's a very flexible part of the membrane that do the filtration. So, you need something to support it with to get it quote-unquote stable. So, a membrane is very simply, or I shouldn't say simply, but for practical reasons, built up by the filtration part of the membrane, represented by the paper, and what we call a support layer, represented by the sponge. So when the water comes, it penetrates the filtration part of the membrane, and after the filtration part of the membrane, where you find the resistance during filtration, the pressure drop, it will pass through the support layer with very, very wide pores, so there is no resistance basically once the water has passed through the filtration part of the membrane. So you have the filtration part of the membrane, which is made out of a plastic, which is very specialized, and then you have a support layer where basically you transport the clean water out towards the, well, drinking water consumer or the recipient for wastewater treatment. One thing I would like to add about the membrane: it's plastic, and this is something which is very, very unique and special with membranes. Basically, you can chemically enhance a membrane material to suit what you want to have in the permeate, or on the other hand, separate in the concentrate. With that, I say thank you for listening to this Water Tank Chat 2, and I'm looking forward to see you when I meet you in Water Tank Chat 3, and I will tell you with a very, very interesting subject next time. I won't tell you about it to keep you on a so-called cliffhanger. Take care. See you soon. Bye-bye.